Okay, so welcome to Bangol. Okay guys, so ito yung videographer ko. Papaalam pa siya sa ate niya at saka sa mami niya. Okay. Okay. Ayan yung mga anak. Dahan-dahan ha. Okay? Be careful, little boy. Ayan. Okay, so maganda pagka sunset. During sunset. Assessment, sun quality. Okay. It's a little fine. And there's a slide. Is kid friendly. So in this part, ito lang naman ang may white sand, so I do not know sa banda doon. Good bro. Yes, good bro. Okay, so if you will look in this part, so there's still an extension of the sand. A bit long, no? Go bro, run! Run bro! So nag-i-enjoy siya, no? Enjoy yung anak ko. So I'm sure your kids will gonna enjoy staying here. Kasi nga may sliding part yung sand. Yan. Kaso dito, pagdating dito, hindi siya masyadong friendly sa kids. So I'm just letting him go to experience what I had experienced before when I was just a kid, because I was born here. I lived here until high school. Yan. Yan, so makikita niyo yung mga seaweeds dito sa shore. So minsan lang to, no? Whenever the tide is low, you could see something like this. Yan. Ayan, so pili lang yung mga part na pwedeng liguan ng mga bata, just like this area. Mayroong white sand, hindi siya mabato. Tignan nyo naman, nag-i-enjoy yung kid ko, yung anak ko. Ayan. Okay. Good. Okay, so later on, I will gonna run a train from Alulang Barangay Hall until on that part, I think. Yeah. And I will gonna show the road, how it feels like, my assessment for if it's good for 4x4. Of course it's good for 4x4, but for 4x2 maybe I have some concerns, and I will share my ideas later. So please wait for a while for my next vlog, and so please like and subscribe. Bro, wait. Is it good here? Oh, yeah, it's good. So a little bit friendly na rin dito. Okay, so see you next time. Bye.